everyone, my name is Zelda and you are watching my channel, Zelda Sews. Welcome to or welcome back to my video and my channel. Today I used some of the fabric I picked up at Joann Fabrics, and it was some calico fabrics to make pillowcases. So I finished these. I made pillowcases and I have them in the right direction. I bought 2 yards, and what I ended up doing, I took my pillowcase that I had for a queen size pillow, and I measured it to make sure my measurements would line up. So for the, where is it? The measurements on line that I looked up, it said 20 by 40, 20 inches by, oh, all right, hold on. This is why I take notes, because I'm not sure. It said, oh yeah, 20 by 40. I measured my pillowcase and it was pretty much like that. It was, I think, maybe 20 by 38 or something, like 38, almost 39, almost to 40. So the cutting measurements I used was 21 inches by 45. And I just took the fabric. I'll have some clips in here for you to see. And actually, I'm going to stop right here and put those in, and then I will be back. Okay, I've cut these down to 21 by 42 inches. I'm just going to fold these over. This will be caught up in the fold, so it doesn't matter. And they're all ready to be sewn. Okay, I have finished serging all of these. I serged them wrong sides together, and now I'm going to take them to the machine and finish it as a French seam. Yes, it does seem maybe a little too much, but for me, I think it works out much better. It holds the stitches. I'm rough on pillows. Tony and I are just rough on pillows. Okay, I apologize for the shaking of the video. I have this on my stand that's connected to the table, but I am now sewing the right sides together, encasing the serged seam. And on the inside, you have a nice outside finish. Inside, no frayed edges, nothing for the washing machine to chew up. I'm almost done. Always check underneath. You get the little sneaky pieces that try to go underneath your petal. And you have to use your beautiful, lovely, wonderful seam ripper. There we go. And I did exactly what I said not to do. Right there. Well, it's not much. Okay. Thank you, lovely Steam Ripper. Boom. Pull out that other bread. Flip it down. Check on the back side. Okay, and then go a few, like an inch beforehand, before you got caught. And make sure you don't get caught again. Do, 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 do. Almost did it again. Oh, let me see if I can show you this. The raccoon is out. And I'm at the end. Hopefully I started before. I like to make sure I clip. Make sure no thread is hanging to bunch up when I finish. Okay. All done. Just have to press it, put it on a pillow. Well, I hope that was fun to watch. I enjoyed making them. So I'm not sure if I said it in the other piece of the video, but I cut this 21 inches by 42 inches because I wanted a nice wide band at the top. So I ended up folding it down an inch on the right here. Let me pull this out. Oh, that end will not open because it is Oh, you're going to say, oh no. So I folded it down 1 inch up under here, and then this is 3 inches. So it fit the pillowcase perfectly. This is just one of the pillowcases. And I love this. It has black women here with natural hair, and men. I love it because I have natural hair. Okay, the other one I did is this pillowcase here. And same thing with the end of it. I was going to do the little fancy one where you put the little strip and the border, but for me, I like to sew for need and practicality, not just to sew anything just to be sewing it, because I don't have the time, the energy, or the money to waste on just sewing up things. But I definitely needed pillowcases. I usually wear a satin bonnet on my pillow, so I don't have to worry about a pillowcase that's satin. My baby, I have to show you this. This is the one I re-sewed the zipper. The zipper broke again, and I just said, that's it. I'm done with it. I'm not going to try to do anything with it anymore because I have my new pillowcases and I cover my hair, so I don't have to worry about the cotton pulling and drying out my hair. So this is the second one, and the third one I can't show you, but I'll just show pictures here right at the end so you can see the pillowcases on the bed. So thank you so much for watching, and you are not getting away without a scripture. No, no, no. Okay, it is Psalms 51, verse 10. And I know I've read this before, but it's always good to hear again. Create in me a clean heart, O God, and renew a right spirit within me. I want a clean heart. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. And if you have stuck around to the end here for this video, thank you for doing so. And please hit the like button. And if you have not subscribed, I would appreciate it if you would go ahead and subscribe. Greatly, greatly, greatly. So God bless you. I will see you in the comments, and you'll see me on the next upload. Bye for now.